Hello all, and welcome to EntryTech's guide on resetting the services for Focal Point and Focal Point Mobile. First things first, you'll need to be logged directly into the Focal Point server in order to perform these tasks. This can be done through Log Me In or by using a monitor and keyboard with the EntryTech server physically in front or near you. What are these services? Focal Point requires one service for the main software and one service for the mobile application. Both services can experience an issue and will need to be manually restarted to resolve the issue. Restarting the services does not guarantee a resolution for the issue, but it does resolve them most of the time. What are the signs that a service needs to be restarted? A telltale sign that the main service is encountering an issue is when a controller shows offline, but both power and an Ethernet connection have been confirmed by staff for the device. If the mobile service encounters an issue, it usually prevents the mobile application from working properly or working at all. An example is the server is not connected error when trying to connect. Where are these services? The services are located in the Windows Services window, which we can get to by going down to the bottom left of our screen, typing in Services, and pressing Enter. We can also get to this by pressing the Windows key on our keyboard and typing in Services and again pressing Enter. Now we can scroll down on the services till we find the Focal Point service. There will be an alphabetical order, or when we open it up we can click on a random service and press F, and this will jump us directly to the services that start with F. Before we go any further, we need to make sure that the Focal Point application is closed. Otherwise, there is a chance of data corruption. So down here, we've got our Focal Point service open, and I'm actually going to take a look at the device manager and see that this controller is online. But like I was saying, this can be offline, and it'll just be a glitch in the software that needs a quick restart. So we're going to close this out. And the mobile application is fine to leave up, and it'll actually tell us if we do it correctly. Restarting the services. First, select the Focal Point mobile server, and on the left-hand side, press Stop. This will stop the service, and we can see on the mobile service monitor that the service has been stopped. We're going to go down, and we're now going to stop the Focal Point server. Give it a minute, let it fully shut down, and we should be good to start it back now. So we're going to start with the Focal Point server, and then work our way back to the Focal Point mobile server. Now we've started the service, tells us the version, tells us we're not logged in, open connection to centralized server, and then logged into centralized server. We did not receive an error. That's all there is to restarting the services. If this does not resolve the issue you are experiencing, please create a service request on our website. This can be done by following these steps. How to create an access control service request. Opening up any web browser, going to www.entrytech.net/help. How to create an access control service request. Clicking this hyperlink here, and then pressing the submit ticket. Then just fill out the information here. Every bit of information helps us reduce the time it takes to diagnose the issue and gets us on track for a quick resolution. If possible, we ask that you provide as much information on the issues as you can. More often than not, a restart of the equipment can resolve an issue, and is why we ask that these steps are performed prior to the creation of a service request. In the service request, I have a subject filled out showing that the gate will not open for fobs or mobile app, and the controller shows offline. Description, I've got that again, and I have the steps taken, as well as any other information you would deem necessary for us to know. Like in this ticket, we have a large power surge happened the night before the device stopped working, which might indicate that something happened to the device power-wise, and it might be fried. Just an example. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us through the service request, and we will do our best to respond to you promptly. Thank you, and have a good day.